Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, orange liqueur, and fresh lime juice. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass. Next, we're gonna add a quarter of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Next, I'm gonna add half ounce of triple sec. And finally, I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of vodka. Now we're just gonna shake it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Kamikaze shot. Alright, if you guys like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!